In this video, I will cover exactly what Google just upgraded in the free version of Gemini and what you can do with it right now. If you find this useful, subscribe and leave a like. Let's get into it. Most people think the good AI features only come with a paid plan. Now you might be asking, George, what changed? Google quietly swept out the old model powering the free Gemini app. Before this update, free users were getting an older, slower model. Now, Gemini 3.1 Lite powers the free plan by default. Gemini 3.1 Lite is Google's latest generation model. Faster, smarter, and also better at understanding what you actually mean. You do not need to do anything. The upgrade happened automatically. Google also unlocked a feature called personal intelligence for free users in the US. Before this, it was locked behind a paid subscription. Now, Gemini can connect to your Gmail, your Google Photos, and your YouTube history for free. This means you can ask Gemini things like, what flights did I book last month? And it will find the answers from your own emails. Or plan a trip based on places I have already searched, and it will use your real data to help you. You stay in control still, you choose what it connects to, and also you can turn it off if you want to, anytime. Now, what you should do right now, if you have been using ChatGPT or Claude, you do not have to start over. All you have to do is come to Gemini. Down here, you're going to see the settings button, click on it, and you're going to see the import memory to Gemini. This is a new feature, so when you click on it, it is going to come to this page. It takes you to this page. All you have to do is just copy this prompt here, come to ChatGPT. I've already done that. So it has generated the memory and everything that it has about me. All you have to do also here, just copy this and come back here and paste everything in this next text box. And when you do that, click on add to memory. These are going to be saved as your memory for this AI. So open your Gemini app and go to the settings, then select the import from another AI app and follow the steps. Gemini will now know your preferences from day one without you having to explain everything again. This AI keep on improving every day. So if you found this video useful and you like more of such videos, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this. If you have any questions concerning Gemini, drop them in the comments. I'll respond to you. Otherwise, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.